So I usually put it on and make sure that this is even on the back. Grab my baby and start with him on my hip. And then I grab the back leg and shift him over to my side and put him on my back. So now I've got his arm still and I'm supporting him. And then I use my right arm to hold his back and butt while I get my left strap first. And then I put this over to be his support.